Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
So, instead of the usual unreliable stuffing box, the engine has a crankshaft oil seal, but hydrocompensators, as on analogs, are not installed, so you have to adjust the valves every 10,000 kilometers of mileage. Name description: manufacturer UMZ volume 2, 9 liters, 2,890 centimeters cube. Number of cylinders, number of valves, fuel, gasoline for injection. System 8 injector power 117 horsepower. Fuel consumption 10, 5L 100 km cylinder diameter 100 mm cylinder order 1-3-4-2 Econorman -€4 maintenance. How is the maintenance on the UMZ 421 engine correctly carried out? According to the factory data and technical charts, let's describe how to carry out maintenance for the 4216. Maintenance of the power unit is carried out every 10,000 kilometers of mileage for operation on gasoline, and 8 to 9,000 kilometers, if there is a gas installation, TO0. 1,000 kilometers, oil and oil filter replacement. 20,000 kilometers, change of oil, oil filter, fuel filter. 30,000 kilometers, change of oil, and air filter, spark plugs, high voltage wires, fine fuel filter. 40,000 kilometers, change of oil filter, fuel filter, replacement of timing belt and alternator. 50,000 kilometers and thereafter, oil and oil filter change. Every 20,000 kilometers the fuel and air filter is changed, valves are adjusted. Every 40,000 kilometers, replacement of the timing belt. Repair and main problems: engine UMZ 4216 and its modifications can be easily repaired even in the worst technical condition. Thus, the power unit is reassembled, the block head and the replacement of consumable elements. The repair process itself is carried out in stages, as for any power unit. So, let's consider the step-by-step process of overhaul of UMZ 4216. Disassembly: diagnostic operations in garage conditions. To fill holes in the body of the power unit, motorists use cold welding. Boring the cylinder block and crankshaft are bored. If the cylinders are already out of the repair size, then liners of standard diameter 100 mm are installed. The cylinder block is characterized by honing. This is one of the processes of boring of the cylinder block using a special machine. The crankshaft is bored on a special machine, using high speeds and a stone that polishes the journals. Works on the cylinder head unit. To date, it is quite common to replace the camshaft. This is due to the fact that the engines are 20 to 30 years old and this part has already worn out several times. Therefore, when carrying out repairs of the cylinder head, this part should be paid special attention to. If necessary, the working surface of the block head is ground. Assembly operations are carried out on a special stand. All parts are installed in the same sequence as disassembled. Thus, oil and water pump are often replaced, a new set of gaskets is installed. Conclusion: as you can see, the engine UMZ 4216 has become more reliable than its predecessor UMZ 4213. Maintenance and repair of the power unit is quite easy. Overhaul: it is best to carry out in the conditions of the car service. UMZ 4216 engine. In conclusion, understanding the faults and repair processes of the UMZ 4216 engine is crucial for maintaining its performance and longevity. We have explored its technical characteristics, highlighting the importance of proper use and maintenance to ensure optimal functionality. Additionally, we discussed how to refine its power characteristics and the essential steps involved in an overhaul. By following these guidelines, you can enhance the engine's reliability and efficiency, ultimately leading to a more satisfying experience in its operation. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you in your journey with the UMZ 4216 engine.